do another vlog. As I've said in the last video, we'll be doing a cook-off with Afo. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be interesting. Okay. The thing is, first thing about these is, I'll let you know. First though, we'll just make 3 items. 3 items after that, we'll see. There will be judges obviously, and they will just judge cooking like how our cooking they will judge after we're done with the cooking. So I don't know why I'm so restless. Yeah, I guess I'm excited. Maybe I'm excited. So yeah, that will be it. And one is 3 items we'll have a cook-off. The judges can vote and they will judge us. And the losers, like first losers, the loser though, like comment section they like what do you want the losers to do and for the winners, like the losers will like treat the winner like it love lock or like not, like just to be fair, they love lock like you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get on with the video. And here's it.
It's so funny.
He's preparing right now. How are you feeling, Afo? Can I feel good?
What's going on?
Like you're gonna have So, Sutomoto is in, but not yet started. And let me show you. The 2 judges today, listen. Hey guys, this is the final judge. She's here. Ito na Afo Mujan first. We'll play rock, paper, scissors, and we'll see who goes first. We'll see who goes first. Yeah. Okay, here we go. First, we'll play rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yo, Afo Mujan na. And we'll see who goes first. Kun go, just to be fair. Afo,
Yes.
come.
Hi.
Ready?
Yep.
Best of the string.
Okay.
1.
Okay. Okay.
One on this, right?
Yeah.
Last round.
I'm gonna want to say it right.
Yeah.
You go first.
I'll go first.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be going first. I'll cook first. Okay, then. Chutomoto prep na. I'll prep here and there. Chutomoto and after that I will show you guys na. I don't like if I show you guys all the things, it will be too long na. The vlog will be too long, so and half, not half exactly half, but part the hide na. So ready for that, and let's start off. Yo guys, I'll be making bulk. Oops, na. Try with cheese. And this is John. Gucu. Itulah suji with Exxon. Hey, Exxon. So yeah, that's how it is. So what are you gonna make?
Typical Sunni dish.
Take us through.
I'll just be making small pork with afone.
Okay.
Yeah.
After
And
that,
for side dish, I'll be making mushroom ka chutney maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. All the best.
Thank you.
Hey guys, we are finally done with the cooking. So let me show you. So yeah, that is all, and we'll be having it for sure. So we will let you guys know who's the winner and who's the loser after we're done eating. So you guys don't be government section de dina kun la bawala se like I know
Just by the beach.
yeah just by the picture but this size don't be the job size you can guys check it out now go check it don't be the size we chide kun la bala se government section de you know please and yeah after we're done we'll show you guys. So here the judges. Hope you guys are enjoying the food. David, how was the food?
It's very good.
Okay.
This
How's
will
it?
be
Have you tasted
very
it?
tasty.
Okay, okay. तो मैं भी खाई लो Yeah, so definitely done with the review and so sorry to inform you, but one of the judges she left due to some work, but before that, one would they've already discussed from before, so like he will be announcing, declaring the winner. So ready? If you're ready, you can.
ओके सबसे पहले दोनों को थैंक्स हम लोग को बुलाने के लिए और अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे आके और ये दोनों का पूरा जो है सब कुछ खा के बहुत टेस्टी था बट एक को चुनना है विनर सो फॉर अस लाइक ग्रुप डिस्कस के बाद विनर हम लोग का तरफ से विनर है अफू
Don't cry. Okay, that's good. Congrats to Afu.
Thank you.
And thank you all. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for thank you all so much for coming out. And hope you guys have enjoyed it. And if you guys like this video, please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more contents, in other contents, suggest you can always suggest us so that in the next video, and this is our first time so like next time, so you can always suggest us and do keep supporting us and not to forget Dana shop Insta it will be in the description down below so you can go follow them and support us. Thank you. Peace.
Okay. Ready? Done?
Yes.
Okay, first of all, thanks to Wapang and Afu for inviting us. Listen, fuck you.
It looks good, yeah.
Yeah, you're laughing.
It was so good. Don't
It
laugh.
was good. Wait, get down here.
Last and final round. Cut. Lights, camera, action.
Take 3. Camera, roll, action. Okay, first of all, thanks to Wapang and Afu for inviting us. I'll speak.
This is more fun. What did you in the cinema?
Take 5.
No, he will.
Everyone listen.
Masuk pala.
Cak, ready kau? Cak. Okay. Ready?
Yes.
सबसे पहले वफांग और आपू
Wapang.
वफांग